I was looking for a data science class to kind of expand my skills. My background is in mathematics, and I went to grad school for business, so I kind of wanted to like blend those two worlds, and that's where data science kind of nicely fits in. What I really like about the Data Science Dojo training is that it focuses on that conceptual foundations that help you actually understand what knobs you're turning and tuning to actually become a better data scientist. The atmosphere in the classroom was very collaborative. I specifically appreciate when the instructors say, let's pause for a second. This is a very important concept. Let's talk about this. If there's any confusion, let's sort that out now. You know, you're not being ostracized if you don't understand a concept. It's very inclusive and collaborative. I would recommend this bootcamp for a number of different reasons. It appeals to so many different backgrounds and job types, all the way from the very technical data folks to the project managers or account managers that may not be so well versed in data. It gives everyone deep conceptual understandings of what's actually happening with the data and the algorithms that are behind these things, but then it also does delve into the actual tools that data folks and data scientists would use on a day-to-day basis and what's actually going on under the hood to match that conceptual side of things that are truly important to understand how to get the most out of our models and our predictive analysis.